right. Good morning, Internet. Welcome to another adventure. Yeah, beautiful day out. And for some of you, it's probably snowing. Right now, I'm on my way to meet up with RBK and a dude I met last night at the Shade Tree meetup in Costa Mesa. Said he'd been watching the channel for a long time and wanted to go for a ride. So we invited him along, man. All these cars inching up, man. What are you doing? So where are we gonna go after I meet up with these guys, man? What kind of food should we eat today? I don't see RBK yet. There's our friend. Who pulls up to the pump like this? Just me. Oh, look at that. This is what I learned how to ride on, man. A little Honda CT70. Yeah, Honda Trail 70. Nice. Dude, those things are worth a couple bucks too.
Found that one little patch of shade.
Are you hungover? It's good to see you, sir.
See it?
I forgot your name.
Connor.
Connor. Met you last night at the Shade Tree Army meet.
Yeah, somehow we all ended up at a bar drinking together.
Yeah, a lot of beer, a lot of shots, a lot of pizza.
Hot tacos.
What do you want to eat?
Oh, that's a damn good question. What options are around here? What do you recommend?
What do you like, Italian, Mexican?
I eat anything. Anything decent Italian around here?
RBK's the Italian master. What do you got?
Okay, Italian. There's Tutto Fresco where we got those meatball subs.
Yeah, that place is pretty good. Okay, let's do that. Have you seen Bob before?
I've not been up there personally.
Never seen Bob.
Gotta meet him.
All right, man. It's going to be a good day. Italian. Spaghetti and meatballs. I'm excited. So, yeah, we met Connor last night, man, hanging out with Shade Tree Surgeon. It was a lot of fun. And that's his new bike. Got a brand new Tiger 900. Of course, Shade Tree Surgeon was out. That was a lot of fun. With Felice. I hadn't seen that guy in a long time. Last time I saw him was, what, 2 years ago in Tampa. Picked up Johnny and I at the airport. This channel's doing so well. He totally deserves it, man. He's definitely one of the more dedicated vloggers out there, man. That guy puts out some great content. Glad to call him a friend, man. Whoa. That Durango has some suspension issues for sure. Dude, we're gonna see Bob. I realized I haven't seen Bob in a few weeks. I wonder what he's up to. I bet you guys left me some stuff with old Bob. Excited to see what it is. Look at all these bikes. So many. Yes. All right, man. Everybody's out today. It's cool. Why not, man? Beautiful day. Oh, excuse me. How you doing, you son of a bitch? This is Bob.
Yeah. Finally meeting him.
Alright. Let's see what we got, Bob. How you doing?
Are you Suburban?
Yep.
Do you remember a good guy Tacoma?
Yeah.
Because of you.
No shit?
Yeah.
Hey, that's awesome, man.
Appreciate it. Have a good one.
You too.
That's hilarious.
All right, what do we got, Bob? Oh, that's cool. Oh, wow. All right. Nice. How are you?
Good, how are you doing?
I'm all right. All right, let's see what we got. Oh, we got some coffee. Yeah, man. Lost Cabin coffee. Atomic fries. Loaded baked potato. All right. This looks dangerous.
Something for Z.
Oh, man. All right. We'll have to break. You like spicy stuff? We know RBK doesn't.
Next door.
I'm off my game today. I'm a little hungover.
It's all good.
Alright. Sub D. Let's see. Dang.
Oh, that's a fatty.
We got a 50. Alright. Sub D. Came down from NorCal by Sacramento. Thought I'd stop by on my way back. Love the videos. Keep on riding. They made me buy a GSXR. Mr. Cucumber soda was pretty good. I liked it. Dominic, my man, dude, I'm glad you liked the soda. Dude, thank you so much for this. Dominic's buying us lunch today. All right. Well, thanks, Dominic. Okay, here's another. All right. Oh, man. It's like Christmas. Hey, Sub D. My name is Kurt. I live in Texas. I'm out here visiting my son for his birthday. Figured I'd stop by the general store and buy you soda. Or you can put that money towards a meal. Anyways, I enjoy your vids, and I guess just keep up the great work, man. Stay safe out there. Sorry for the makeshift envelope and dad handwriting. Oh, it was great, man. Thank you.
Rolling right now.
We're rolling.
Good vibes, too.
Good vibes. Yes. Kurt, thank you so much. We really appreciate it. You're the best, man. All right, let's see what's in here.
It's a sign.
I'm going to cut myself. I know it. Okay, well, this one's taped up pretty good. Let's see what's in here. Well, you guys are just all kinds of donors donating. We got a tenner. All right, Sub Delinquent. Watch your videos. Love the content. Keep up the great work. From New York, had to stop by the little store to see Bob. Sadly, no Suburban Delinquent stickers. Here's some money for drinks. I'll be in the area for a couple more days. Be cool if you hit me up and we could go for a ride. Well, I'm guessing those days have long expired. Sandal Hooligan. Hey, man. Thanks for the bucks, and I'm sorry I missed you. Come back, hit me up again. We'll try it all over again. Sub D. Have a soda on me. Death Wish 714. All right.
A lot of fancy envelopes today.
I know. Just shows how creative people are. Dude, all right, Death Wish. Thank you. You're the best, man. All you guys, so fun, dude. It's like literally like Christmas.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Still gives you time.
Oh man, I see more greenbacks. Sub D. Another 20 spot. Wow. Hey Sub D, thanks for all the videos. They always make Mondays better. Since you like torturing your friends with hot stuff, here's a bag of atomic fries. Alright, well this is where they come from. Also, here's some cash to buy them some ice cream. Stay safe out there. Another brother on two wheels, Aaron. Hey Aaron. Thanks for allowing me to torture my friends. I look forward to it. Thanks for the money. It's a big deal. Should we open one and try one right now? RBK wants two.
He can eat ours.
Two would have put me in ICU.
Oh, jeez. All right, Aaron. Connor's gonna be the dummy.
You taking one with her? You better take one with me. Take one with me?
Yeah, I promise I'll take one.
Go ahead. Damn. Good luck.
No shit. Look at his eyes.
Oh, the hot sauce last night was less. I'm gonna go grab a drink. Good luck, buddy.
Yeah, go snag some out of the fridge.
Yeah. Jesus. It doesn't keep going in the circle. It kind of stops.
Do you want another one?
No, you still gotta eat one.
Alright, I'm gonna do it. I mean, I wish I could show you my face, but will you hold on to these?
Not too much worse than the hot sauce.
Oh, hell.
You want a drink? What do you want?
I can't talk. Want what?
I don't know what it is, something really
What do you want?
What is it?
Yeah. Do you regret your decision? Well, I want to say thanks to everybody that left some stuff.
Cry.
Made me cry. Got the sniffles.
Yeah. That's, you would have hit that.
Aaron, you're quite the asshole. Appreciate it. Can I leave this here? I'll come back later in my car. Thanks. You can have more of those fries if you want. Good seeing you. All right, Bear. Where are you leading us to?
We're going to the old Tutto Fresco.
Went there in a video long time ago for their off-the-menu meatball sandwich, which was glorious, might I add. Connor, how hot was that spicy fry? Scale of 1 to 10.
Oh, shit. Probably a good 8. 7 or 8.
Hottest thing you ever ate?
Probably up there.
Jesus. All right, let's go get some Italian. All right, man. Trabuco General Store. Man, I like coming in here. Seeing everybody. Dude, I met a lot of cool people here. Been a fun weekend, huh?
It's been a hell of a weekend.
Yeah. Well, it's all over now, isn't it? Well, I'm glad we crossed paths. It was a good time.
It's been fun.
What'd you think of the restaurant?
That is amazing food.
You got the off-the-menu meatball sandwich.
Yes. Good
Yeah.
recommendation.
I feel like, yeah, you ordered right. RBK got the lasagna.
Awesome.
I got the spaghetti and meatballs. I liked it. I ate it all. Everything was good.
Meatballs.
Everything on the table came out to about $46
That's reasonable.
That's really good.
for sure.
In Joe Biden's America.
And Joe Biden's.
The nation's California.